As e be say coronavirus disease dey waka for everywhere and e never get cure, na im make Edo State government shut down all the business wey dey Edo State, apart from food business wey dey relocate go primary school. Dis one shele sake of say Edo State government wan fumigate marketplace dem. But as e dey be so, Edo State government fit open market anytime from now as e be say dem don begin dey screen traders unto the yamayama disease. And dem don dey plan with Market Women Association to dey open market for some particular days, plus say dem go dey discuss how the traders go take dey practice social distancing. E show well for the market women body say dem dey happy unto say dem go soon go back to market. Make una sabi say Edo State government still dey plan to do dis kind ogbonge thing for National Union of Road Transport Workers and some other ogbonge union. Special adviser on top strategic planning Oyi Malaka wey follow tori pipo talk say Edo State government be shut down market unto coronavirus disease wey dey waka for everywhere.
In our own way to encourage social distancing, we moved all the markets. We shut down our markets and selected essential commodities to the public schools to encourage social distancing. So what we are doing now is we've finished the fumigation of all the markets, and we are gradually relocating our women back to our traders back to the market spaces. So we're starting off with the New Benin market relocation exercise today. So what we have done is to ask the traders who have all this while been at Payne Primary School and Edopolo and all the other public schools around here to come here and have their screening completed before we allow them back into the market. We have worked very closely with them to make sure that we get this process right. It was actually driven by them. They organized themselves in a way that we will now be able to implement the alternate market day system in Edo, and also give them identities. Every ID card is a unique ID for each of the market women. So they have categorized themselves along the product lines and the various commodities that they sell in the market. And we will run the alternate day business, market arrangement. So there are some classified as Group A who will come in on one day, and the other Group B will come in on the other day, just to reduce the numbers in our market spaces and encourage social distancing.
Incidents manager for COVID-19 for Edo State, Andrew Obi, can still follow tori people talk.
What you are seeing today is a show of the commitments from the market women as represented here by the Iyekis. They are making a strong statement today that they are fully in support of the government's screening program. And to show that commitment, they have organized themselves in way you are seeing now to make sure that every market trader here gets screened. And that commitment is very encouraging, because they also want to make sure that those people who are involved in the business of trade are healthy and they don't expose themselves to any form of harm. And I believe that this approach should also be extended to other organized groups, whether you're talking about the Road Transport Workers Association of Nigeria or the Keke Napep Association, bus drivers, and other forms of trade.
Blackie Omerege, wey be the leader for Market Women Association, still talk how body dey do them as e be say market go soon open.
So when the government announce say sickness dey, make we comot from inside market, say they wan come fumigate market. So the women they comply, the traders all of them they comply. Then the government go relocate them to various primary schools. Now they don't fumigate the markets. So rain they come, rainy season won't start. So that's why government think and to say no good make the women they suffer inside rain. So they want to relocate them. So we can categorize A and B. A go come today, tomorrow B go come. So that to create a social distance.
Coronavirus disease na yamayama disease wey never get cure, and we go fit protect ourselves if we dey always dey wash our hands, use sanitizer, wear our face mask take cover our nose and our mouth, and if we dey practice social distancing. Dis na the ogbonge information we carry come give una on top inside Edo today. On top say Edo State government go soon open marketplace as they don begin the screen traders for this yamayama disease. Make una sabi say na Till Live Media na carry this ogbonge information come give una as e dey hot.